2016 Malibu. Screen was black. Just come down here. There's one button there. Pull that off, and underneath there's 3 devices. I started unplugging the wires and plugging them back in. And after 3 months or more, I've got my screen back. It's incredible. Unplugging the battery did not help. I tried other things. I pulled this radio out. That didn't help. There's no need to take that out. Unbelievable after all this time. Very simple. It's not the park switch in there, you know, bend the wire, fix the park, shift to park thing. It's not that. It's right down here. All you have to do is take that one button out, go underneath there, and I just unplugged a lot of those wires, plugged them back in, and it's working. Incredible. I can't believe it, but it worked.